Hey guys, so I have to do this quick. My daughter is right next to me and she keeps randomly singing Mickey Mouse Clubhouse songs. So today I went ahead and used the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette along with their Shine Loud liquid lipstick. This is the shade Self-Taught Millionaire. I really like it. I think it's cool. If you want like a dark kind of lip, I would definitely check this out. I have to keep stopping because she keeps singing, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. so that was it. Again, my daughter's sitting right next to me. She's starting to play her music, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.